This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG 698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Redmond County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Wakeman to near Wellington to near New London, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elyria, Medina, Brunswick, North Ridgeville, Grafton, Wellington, Chippewa Lake, Broadview Heights, Olmsted Falls, Eaton, Oberlin, Hinkley, Love Range, Penfield, Pittsfield, Spencer, Gloria Glenns Park, Clifton, Rochester, and Chippewa on the Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lorain, and Medina. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHP 59.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System has been designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Weather radio warning alarm for the WNG 698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for north central Ohio for Cleveland today is cloudy. A winter weather message for the following county, Geauga, Ohio. Winter storm warning in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? Heavy lake effect snow. Snowfall of 4 to 6 inches has already occurred across much of Geauga County through this evening. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts through Thursday morning. This will produce storm total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches. Gusty northwest winds to 30 miles per hour will cause blowing snow. Where? Geauga County. When? Until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Additional details. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. A winter storm warning for heavy lake effect snow means significant amounts of lake effect snow are forecast that will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest Ohio climate summary. A winter weather message. For the following county, Geauga, Ohio. Winter storm warning now in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. What? Heavy lake effect snow. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Localized heavy snow bands will reduce visibilities to under a mile at times. Where? Geauga County. When? Until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Additional details. Plan on slippery road conditions. A winter storm warning for heavy lake effect snow means significant amounts of lake effect snow are forecast that will make travel very hazardous or impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained from the Department of Transportation website. A winter weather.
We interrupt this compilation in order to bring you some extra footage of weird TV captures. I would also like to point out the fact that Super EAS Fan 24 is putting my voice over in here instead of his, because he is a lazy sack of shit. LOL.
On the same path. I never had to beat that kid. That's how my dad's generation played favorites. Beat this one, but let's not beat that one.
Oh man. What in the hell? It's winter storm warning, but this was issued yesterday.
It can't be any more obvious than that.
See, the audio didn't play for a solid, like,
Yeah, I mean, Sean Payton-
2 minutes when I was watching this game, and then all of a sudden, this comes up, and then the alert tone started playing. It is rare to see a winter storm warning ticker, though, on TV. And the Saints are winning. If you're a fan of the Rams, sorry if you got triggered, but, I mean, hell, who knows, maybe they'll win this game, but... Yeah, I don't know, this doesn't make any sense, this ticker. Like, whoever is playing this on the TV is basically sniffing glue, because this doesn't make sense. I don't own this NFL footage, by the way. I was just recording the ticker. Okay.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 27 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and now includes the following county: Portage, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather
I ended up missing the first
and
one.
listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio,
As I was out
commercial
playing
radio and
basketball.
television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 27 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following county: Portage, Ohio.
Defensively. So look at this again. There's no one contested. And because of that, they're in their
The urgent weather message for the
and that's the difference in this game at this particular point.
We've seen it before. We're seeing it again on the Ganley Auto Store's halftime stats.
Also, the
not
Cavs
shooting it
suck,
well,
apparently.
they're shooting it well.
And again, Jeff, you look at the assist total, we only have 6.
Oh, well.
We got 4.
Averages 11 a game. Sucks it in the face. Nope.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, western Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Navarre, or 7 miles southwest of Canton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Canton, Salem, Alliance, North Canton, Louisville, Sebring, Minerva, Hartsville, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Randolph, Atwater, Ellsworth, East Canton, Craig Beach, Beloit, Deerfield, Limaville, North Jackson, and Maple Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, and Stark.
These Montoya cherry cabinets are $4,643.15 at Menards Think Spring Sale.
This is no
with 20. The last two games against Washington and Memphis, they had 2 points total in the final 3 minutes of both of those games.
the urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, and Stark. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, western Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Louisville, or 9 miles northeast of Canton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sebring around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Canfield around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lordstown around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include East Canton, North Jackson, Atwater, Limaville, Beloit, Berlin Center, Ellsworth, Maple Ridge, Maximo, and Greenford. The urgent weather message for the
First tornado warning of 2019. Nice.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Black River at Elyria until late tonight. At 10 a.m. the stage was 9.3 feet. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast: rise above flood stage by this afternoon and rise to near 9.6 feet by this afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by tonight. At 9.5 feet, flooding begins south of Elyria in Carlisle Township along Woodside Drive. The forecast for North Central